Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Magician33 and today I'm going to be teaching you a pretty cool card vanish. It goes something like this. I first saw this a few months ago on YouTube, I won't lie, but I found it pretty cool. Should we get into the explanation? Okay then, right, so your fingers are coming to here, about halfway, and then that's the vanish. In slow terms, you are holding it here. You're gonna clink into the middle bit of your fingers, and your fingers go back, and these two fingers come together to hide the card. Done in real time. 1 second, done in real time. And then I'll just snap it back to bring it back. You could do like a downward motion to cover it that it's coming from where it's coming from. I'll give you a quick back view. And then we're bringing it back. From here. Boop. And that is it. From the front, it looks invisible. Yeah, from the front it should look invisible like this, and the card should actually disappear. Really fooled me when I first saw it. It's a bit of practice put into it, obviously. It's really good for like Instagram, whatever, which I'm just about to post it now actually. Thinking of that, I didn't think about it beforehand. But that's the vanish. Boop, boop. And it disappears. You spread these fingers as well to make it look like there's nothing there. These two fingers come in just to cover if there's anything showing. Well, I hope you enjoyed that vanish. With regards to making it reappear, use your imagination. Like I said, you can make it reappear by coming down, bringing it down. I don't know why my autofocus is not working properly. It's like focusing about here. Let's try it close up then. Card completely went.